69 News Spot has been brought to you by Direct Deposit, a financial management service of the Department of the Treasury.
Hollywood Close-Up takes a trip back to the future with star Leah Thompson.
The makeup, first of all, took four hours. We tested it months in advance.
Then, meet some kids who really believe they ought to be in pictures.
I would like to be a dancer and an overnight desk for TV. I need the money. It helps me meet girls.
And go beak to beak with Big Bird.
This is Hollywood.
Close-Up, that is.
Hollywood Close-Up, Sunday at 6:30 on TV 69. Chula Vista, take a look at KTTY TV 69.
Take a look.